Hi, it's Michael Aaron here from Expat Wealth Advice. I'm going to answer the question, how is the rental income on my UK property taxed when I live in Spain? And this is a really interesting question because rental income is actually treated very differently by the tax authorities compared to the vast majority of UK income that you may have. Okay, so the reason that I said that rental income is treated quite differently is because generally speaking, as a resident of Spain, most of your income will be taxable in Spain and Spain alone. Whereas with UK rental income, it's actually taxed first of all in the UK. So it's taxed first of all in the UK, but then it is also taxable by the Spanish tax authorities. But what happens is, under the terms of tax agreement, the double taxation agreement between the UK and Spain, there's an offset made for the tax that you've already paid in the UK when the Spanish tax authorities come to calculate what tax is due in Spain. So there are also a couple of other things that you need to note. So the first thing is that long-term rentals are also granted a 60% reduction by the Spanish tax authorities, but you can't claim this reduction for short-term rentals. So typically a short-term rental would be a holiday rental, but long-term rentals where you have long-term tenants can benefit from this 60% reduction. And then the amount that is taxable is taxed just based on general income tax rates in Spain. Okay, and while you're listening to this video, it's probably well worth making a couple of other points which are relevant to expats who do own UK property. So the taxation of UK property has changed quite significantly in the last few years, and the tax burden has got much bigger. So one thing that's affected a lot of expats is that previously, if you were non-resident in the UK, so if you lived abroad, your UK property would not be subject to capital gains tax when you came to sell it. And that's all changed. So now you will have to pay capital gains tax when you sell a UK property. And the gains that will be taxable will be gains that occurred from the 6th of April 2015 onwards. Also, stamp duty land tax in the UK has gone up as well. And in addition, the rules about offsetting mortgage interest against rental income are also changing. So that means that higher rate taxpayers in the UK will end up paying more tax. Okay, I hope you found this video useful and hope to see you again soon. Hi, I'd just quickly like to tell you about some really good free resources I think you'll find incredibly useful. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is our free report, and this has been written especially for UK expats living in Spain. It'll also be really useful for anyone who's thinking about moving to Spain as well. And the report explains precisely how you may be able to take advantage of tax exemptions to save up to 23% tax on your savings and investments as a UK expat living in Spain. So if you're watching this video right now on YouTube, you can click on the link on this video, or if that doesn't work, head across to expatwealthadvice.com. If you're already on the website, if you can't see the link on the page that you're on right now, then go across to our home page and the link should be really clear. Okay, so the other thing is mentioning the website. I say if you're not already on the website right now watching the video, head across to our website. There's some really good free information. So lots of articles and videos and other good stuff on there, providing need-to-know information for UK expats living in Spain or thinking about moving to Spain. And the thing is, expat finance can be really confusing because what you've got to do is you've got to take into account both UK laws and taxation and also the laws of taxation of Spain too. And what we do is we seek to simplify that and provide you with useful how-to information. As an extension of that, we do provide independent one-to-one financial advice. If you're interested in speaking to me personally about your circumstances, right now I am offering informal one-to-one phone calls which you can book right now. Now I might not be offering this forever because it does take up quite a bit of my time, but I say right now you can speak to me free of charge for about 20 minutes on the phone. We go through your circumstances and I can try and help you with any questions or any areas that you're not clear about. To do that, there should be an orange button on this video right now which says book a phone call, so you can click on that, or if you're on our website, on the top right of each page there's an orange button which allows you to book a phone call straight into my diary. Okay, and last but not least, please subscribe to our YouTube channel using the red button on this video right now. What that means is that every time you log into YouTube, you'll get our new videos and updates so you can stay up to date with what we are putting out there in terms of expat information. So please remember, these videos are just for information only, and as a simple rule, I'd always suggest if you're going to make any decision, which if you could get it wrong will be costly for you, then always seek independent professional advice to make sure that you do make the best decision. Great, I hope you found this useful and that you'll be able to take advantage of some of the free resources that I've just spoken about.